In primetime news this evening, border clash. Prime Minister and the MP trade words over Portmore Parish plans. Clifton resident whose house was torn down by the state gets new home. And some Jamaicans want to know who are funding political parties during elections.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, it's the Yuletide season. Of course, it means more people are going to be using money. So how much more money has the BOJ put in circulation, or how much do they plan to put in circulation? I'll give that detail a little later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Jordan Ford, what's up in sports?
Well, Archie, the West Indies just took on England in their fourth T20 International. I'll tell you all about that, keeping the result in suspense right now. But the West Indies on the 19s, there are 5 Jamaicans in that squad, which we announced yesterday. I got some feedback from someone who's integral in the development of Jamaica's youth cricket. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Tuesday.
So I want to talk about how today was nice and cool.
Yeah, this is not in suspense in this case.
It is not. And Romain, what is happening with that cold front?
Still moving across the area. We do have cool conditions expected tonight. We're expecting the coldest temperatures from the system to be experienced tonight and tomorrow morning. Cool temperatures also forecast for much of Wednesday and also on Thursday. We're not expecting any significant warming until about Friday.
I think, we can do without the warming.
Okay. You should just have ended before that. And there's also E-Prime as well as a sports commentary in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what changes have you made to your Christmas budget and why?
We should be getting lots of comments. You can share yours online, facebook.com/television Jamaica. And you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.